Good morning, children. Welcome back once again in our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. Today, we are going to learn our Geography's 4th chapter, Weather and Climate. Can you tell me, children, the name of the weather symbols? These are some of the weather symbols given here. First one is stormy, second one is rainy, third one sunny spells, fourth one completely sunny, fifth one cloudy, and sixth one snowy. These are some of the weather conditions by which we can understand the kind of weather will be like this. Now we are going to start the chapter. The weather condition of a few places in India are given in this table, and based on this table some of the questions are asked here. In which place will the clothes on a clothesline dry quickly? You can tell, children, very easily, in the Bhopal. Why? Because the weather condition in Bhopal on the 10th June is hot and sunny. In which place will they dry slowly? In Kerala, they will dry slowly because cold weather. No, sorry, it's a Kerala. In Kochi, it's cloudy. That is why the clothes will take time to dry. Will the atmospheric condition at these places always remain the same, or will they change? Yes, of course it will change, because weather cannot be same the whole year. Okay, now we are going to see this explanation of this table. The weather conditions at each of the places given above are different on 10th June. Kochi has cloudy weather, as we have seen. Kochi have cloudy weather. It means there is a little sunlight. The rainy season has started and moisture in the air will be high. Hence, it will take a long time for clothes to dry. You may have observed a similar situation at your place during the rainy season. Now only the rainy season going to be finished, and sunny days, little bit sunny days have started. So this weather condition we are experienced now. At Bhopal, there is hot sun. The water in the wet clothes gets converted into vapor quickly, and the clothes will dry within a short time. You can see the Bhopal in MP, Madhya Pradesh, the state Madhya Pradesh, and time the same of these three places are there, but the weather at Bhopal is hot and sunny. That is why the clothes will be dry very quickly. Mussoorie, as we know, it is located to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. Hence, it receives less solar heat. The air is cool due to its location on mountain. Clothes take longer time here because of the medium heat and cool air. Factors like heat, moisture, and wind influence the time taken by the clothes to dry. Here, however, these conditions keep on changing. The condition will not be same the whole year. That is why we are experiencing these kinds of changes always. Can you tell me, children, which of the following statements are applicable to the conditions that you have experienced today or yesterday at the place where you live? These some of the answers are given here. It was cold in the morning. Yes, of course. In the afternoon, it became sultry. Sultry means hot and humid. It rained suddenly in the afternoon. Cool breeze was blowing at the dawn. Clouds gathered in the evening. The night sky was full of stars and pleasant breeze was blowing. 2-3 answers are also related to our weather condition of yesterday or today. It is completely sunny day. Now we are going to see weather. We all always experience atmospheric conditions prevailing at a place and at given time. We often talk about it, but these conditions are short-lived. We often talk about the weather, that the weather is too cold or the weather is too hot. This way we are talking about it, and these conditions are short-lived. Not the condition never same everywhere. This is what we call weather. For example, we say the weather is hot, cool, dry and sultry. Sultry, as I told you, hot and humid. That's all for today, children. We will see the further chapter in the next session. Thank you.